If you're wondering how to incorporate red raspberry leaf tea into your birth prep routine, this is a tea recipe that I have personally used during my pregnancies and plan to use as I enter my third trimester. Red raspberry leaf tea is commonly promoted to be a labor-inducing tea that can help to strengthen your uterus and potentially help to reduce your risk of postpartum hemorrhage. Now, is there any evidence that supports these claims? There are no research studies that necessarily support that these claims are true. However, there is anecdotal evidence that does support that it potentially does help with toning the uterus and maybe could help prepare your body for birth. For me personally, when I drank raspberry leaf tea during my pregnancies, my belly usually gets really tight as my uterus kind of contracts onto itself. And then when I'm done drinking, my uterus tends to relax. This is something that you could incorporate into your third trimester, drinking 1 or 2 cups a day. And then during labor, you can also drink red raspberry leaf tea during your labor to help with some hydration in addition to helping your uterus. Red raspberry leaf tea does have a bitter taste to it, so I do like to add some sort of sweetener. So I'm going to be using honey in my tea. If you prefer to use something else, feel free to do that as well. For my labor prep tea, what I like to do is about 1 or 2 tablespoons of the red raspberry leaf tea. I have a little strainer here that goes directly into my cup. After then, I'll just pour some hot water over the leaves so that they'll steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the tea has steeped for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'll then add in my honey and stir it up, and then I'll drink it like that. While most of the evidence that supports the benefits of drinking red raspberry leaf tea during your pregnancy are mostly anecdotal, there are not really a lot of side effects of drinking the tea either. The biggest complications that could occur from it is starting to have contractions or too many at one time, or potentially having any sort of spotting. If you are starting to have a lot of contractions while drinking the tea, please stop. And if you experience any spotting, definitely consult with your provider. In addition to the theorized benefits of labor, red raspberry leaf tea can also be beneficial to helping support you during your menstrual cycle while you have your period, and it is really high in antioxidants. There's no concrete way to drink raspberry leaf tea throughout your pregnancy. Some sources say to drink 1 cup in your first trimester and 2 to 3 in your second and third trimester. Some say to wait until you're in your third trimester, so it's really up to you to figure out what you feel most comfortable with. In addition, you can consult with your provider on what their recommendations are for drinking red raspberry leaf tea throughout your pregnancy. For me personally, I usually will drink it in my third trimester just because it does sometimes cause more Braxton Hicks for me. So let us know down in the comments below how you drink red raspberry leaf tea and what additional things you add into your tea if you use it during pregnancy. How many cups do you drink a day? And then did you drink it during labor as well? We hope that you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next video in our natural labor induction series. If you want more support throughout your pregnancy, be sure to check out our online prenatal fitness programs. Our online prenatal fitness programs not only keep you strong and pain-free throughout your pregnancy, they're also designed to help you prepare for birth. So in addition to all these natural induction methods and different holistic birth prep techniques, we can also use movement to help prepare our body for labor as well. Our online prenatal fitness programs are offered in 2 formats. We have our app-based program, which is in the Team Builder app. It's a list of exercises with short demo videos. And this is going to be in a self-paced format. So if you prefer to work out at your own pace, this can be a really great option for you. With our app-based program, we have full-length workouts, which are about 45 to 60 minutes. This is great for someone that enjoys going to the gym and wants to lift with a barbell. And then we also have our mini program, which is 15 to 20 minutes long. And this is a great option both for the gym and for home use. If you prefer to watch a video as you work out at the same time, you can check out our prenatal on-demand programs. We have a fitness-based program, which is strength and conditioning training, in addition to our prenatal yoga. You can bundle our prenatal fitness programs with our childbirth education and pelvic floor prep course to save an additional 15%. And then you can use our code YouTube10 to save on any of our online courses, both for pregnancy, postpartum, and our professional courses. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you get notified whenever we release new videos. Your subscriptions and views help us to provide all of this free content to you, so we thank you so much.